This is for the Michelson Interferometer Lab Part 1, just Introduction to Interferometry. So we want to make sure that we have our laser all lined up and we're getting nice fringe patterns on our screen here before we start doing anything with the procedures. In order to do that, you move the lens around, just make sure everything's aligned, nothing too crazy. You can set the fringe pattern a little bit with these couple knobs on this adjustable mirror here, just to get a nice image. Then you want to make sure that your screen here has a nice mark on it for you to be able to see where fringes pass. Because once you do that, we're going to go ahead and turn this knob here, which is going to move our movable mirror. We decided to go through 20 fringes and do 5 iterations of it. And all you do, you just turn this knob and you count how many fringes go past your little marker.
So the second half of this experiment asks us to do very similar as the first, where we're going to count fringes as they pass. But this time, instead, we're actually going to use this nice little thing called a rotating pointer. The rotating pointer has a glass plate on it. So we go ahead and stick that right in the hole. And we're going to align it so that the Vernier scale matches the interferometer at 0. And then going through a change of angle, we're going to measure how many fringes pass. So for this procedure, we were asked to go 10 degrees. We found that measuring this change is very, very difficult. These fringes move super quick, especially when you have such a short distance. So we were advised and took into account the fact that if we take that screen right off there, the path will continue to travel over to this nice board here, and that makes our fringe pattern a little bit larger since we're farther away from the source. It is important to note you got to turn off the lights in order to be able to see that. Also, you can use lenses or other things in order to try and clarify your fringe pattern in order to get good measurements.